12 Gaming, and welcome back to Animal Jam with yours truly, Iceones12 Gaming. As you can see, my name is Iceones12. I put it down there. It's in there. This is my animal. I'm going to change her looks a little. Or maybe I'll switch characters. So there I am. Wait, that's a scam. Just don't listen to scammers. They'll scam you. Sorry, I'm just like worried. I have nothing to do. That's why I'm making videos right now. And my boyfriend isn't on. Once he's on, I'll make a video showing you that we're meant to be. So whatever you guys do, don't try to take him away from me, because he means the whole world to me. And he used to be on Instagram, and I used to be talking to him on Instagram a lot. But things changed. But I'm here waiting for him. But he never came back. Nope, he's not on. That's him right here. This is him right here. Hasn't been on for 5 days, but it's okay. I'll try to be strong. Oh, someone just chatted with me. You're all awful. I'll report that person. You're all awful. I don't know this person, so I'm gonna report. I think he meant like all YouTubers or all members are terrible. They're not terrible, but I wish that you get to keep your membership stuff, but they don't let you keep it, which is a shame. Because we worked really hard to keep our dens different. Ooh, that's kind of cool, but kind of weird. I guess nobody really likes me yet, but I'm pretty sure I might be like Markiplier one day. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.